Just to clarify the point raised by the Senate President pro tempore, these 8 persons na isa-cite ng committee in contempt, these 8 being Alice Guo or Guo Huaping, Nancy Gamo, Dennis Cunanan, Wen Yilin, Ximen Leal Guo, Jiang Jung Guo, Duaren Wu, and Chona Alejandre. The chair has ruled to cite them in contempt. Pagkatapos ng hearing, susulatan ng chair ang Senate President. Once i-affix ni Senate President yung citing in contempt ng chair, in effect, masaset into motion na yung pag-issue ng warrant of arrest. So it is in effect, good Senate President pro tempore, the same legislative or investigative action, pero ganun yung magiging step sa process na yan. Thank you. Thank you, Sen Jinggoy. And just to repeat for the record, for sure, on this matter of contempt for the 8 named resource persons, they are cited in contempt. I so rule. Thank you. So, Attorney Magno, Assistant Director.
Good morning, Madam Chair.
Good morning, sir. At sa inyong bureau, marami pong salamat muli sa maagap niyong pagtugon doon tungkol sa fingerprints na minatch nyo sa pagitan ni Guo Huaping at saka Alice Dialgo, proving your bureau proving that they are one and the same person. Alam niyo po, may ilan po na may duda pa sa authenticity ng findings ninyo. Sa interview sa media ng abogado ni Mayor Alice, sabi niya baka kailangan pa daw ng third-party verification. Can you make an official report on your findings, Assistant Director?
Unang-unang po sa lahat, mula po sa aming director ay maraming salamat din po sa ating mga senador at sa itong committee na to, Madam Chair, sa pagtitiwala at sa aming ahensya, Madam Chair. Kasama ko po ngayon dito, Madam Chair, ang ating Chief Dactyloscopy upang maipaliwanag niya po ang kanyang ginawa dito sa pag-examine o pagsusuri sa mga fingerprints ng nila Mayora at ng iba pa pong tao. Nandito po si Dr. Kahanding, ang aming hepe po ng dactyloscopy upang ipaliwanag. Maraming salamat po, Madam Chair.
Salamat, Assistant Director. Dr. Kahanding, opo, head ng dactyloscopy unit. Kayo po yung nagsagawa ng scientific examination at matching. Please proceed, sir.
To the honorable members of the committee, good morning to everyone. This morning, we will reveal to you the result of your request for comparison and analysis of fingerprints submitted to your end by the Bureau of Investment to be compared to the fingerprint records in our master files. Before I reveal, I would like to tell you that this identification is a unique identification given to us by the Almighty. Ito po ang identification ng tao by means of skin patterns. Sa tao lang po binigay ng Diyos yan. Yan po ang dermatoglyphics. Science deals with the study of skin patterns. Sa 4 branches po niyan, meron po tayong dactyloscopy sa daliri, chiroscopy sa palad, and podoscopy sa talampakan at ang poroscopy po sa sweat pores. Ngayon, dito po ngayon tayo sa dactyloscopy. Dactyloscopy, it is positive identification po, unique identification, infallible means of identification, meaning to say it is incapable of error, absolute perfect identification. And our result is bounded by the 3 dogmatic principles of fingerprints. We have the principle of constancy or the principle of permanency, meaning to say that fingerprints are immutable, perennial, and individual from the beginning of the 3rd month of the embryonic period until decomposition sets in after death.
Kaya po, Dr. Kahanding, yung fingerprints nung batang o menor de edad na Guo Huaping dun sa application para sa Special Investors Resident Visa nung kanyang ina ay kaya niyong ikumpara dun sa adult fingerprints
Opo.
nung Alice Leal Guo.
Opo.
Okay po.
Kasi hindi po siya magbabago from mula nung pinanganak po tayo hanggang ngayon. Size lang po ang magbabago. Wala pong pagbabago yun. We have also the principle of variation, meaning to say that no two prints of different person nor the neighboring fingers of the same person has ever been found to be identical in all respects. Bilyon po ang tao sa mundo, wala po tayong magkatulad na fingerprints, even identical twins, triplets, quadruplets, quintuplets, o kahit ilan pa pong bata ang sabay-sabay pinanganak, wala pa rin pong magkakatulad na fingerprints. Kahit yung isang tao po, sa 10 daliri mo, wala pa rin pong magkakatulad dyan. Kaya yan po ang unique identification natin. And we have also the principle of infallibility, means that man's fingerprint cannot be forged. You can alter your signature, your handwriting, you can forge your handwriting, but you cannot forge your fingerprints. Katunayan po, ang China po ang isa sa pioneer ng fingerprint identification, yung kay ano po, Emperor Tenzin of China, 246 BC, siya po ang nag-introduce ng fingerprint. Ginagamit po yan in signing of contracts, documents, signature. Yan po ang best signature na hindi mapo-forge. Kaya po sa findings namin, we are 100% sure na tama po at tinatanggap po ang findings ng NBI ever since sa lahat po ng court dito po.